Perioscopy gives us the opportunity to examine the root surfaces and to remove debris that's accumulated that many times we don't see when we use conventional root planing and scaling procedures. Root planing and scaling procedures are done blindly in a sense that we really can't see down deep into the pocket, and it's done by feel. Now, when we have patients that have pockets that are deeper than 3 to 4 millimeters, there's more of a chance of debris accumulating on the root surfaces. And that's when perioscopy really starts to become a big advantage.
And so we're doing two procedures as our general core of our perio program now. One of them is called perioscopy, and what perioscopy is similar to the scaling and root planing or the deep cleaning, but when we get to do this perioscopy now, we put a little device in the gum pocket, and this device has a camera on it that shows a picture on the screen. So for the first time ever, hygienists aren't scraping blindly or scraping till it's smooth. They're just cleaning the teeth until they get clean, because they can actually see what they're doing. And so with less negative effects, over scraping or under scraping, and with better results, because now we know we got the teeth clean, we can remove the debris, and now we're getting much, much better results from our cleaning. So this perioscopy has been a wonderful breakthrough.
Well, perioscopy is the use of technology, and so this is actually visualization of what goes on below the gum line. Now, your conventional or typical periodontist, they just used feel. It's all tactile sensation for removing all the bacteria off of the roots, cleaning your teeth and doing the scaling and root planing. However, we have really embraced technology, and with this, on our monitor here, we can actually see what's going on below the gum line. And so we can ensure that there's 100% removal of any deposits or bacteria that's left on the roots. So the hygienist and myself, we can actually see that the roots become 100% clean, and therefore your periodontal disease can be resolved or treated in a more effective manner.
And the perioscope is like an endoscope or a little camera that enters the space between the tooth and gums around the teeth and can actually act as a camera to show us all of the debris that's accumulated below the gum line. When hygienists clean teeth, they're doing it blindly. They are doing it by feel because they can't see down into those pockets. This perioscope allows us to see the debris and to be much more effective in removing it. And so therefore we can control a disease process where with regular cleanings at your dentist, that wouldn't necessarily be the case.
The beautiful thing about the perioscope is that it can, again, magnify up to 48 times, and so for those little bacteria and accretions and deposits left behind after our typical cleaning, this can actually be seen and identify what's left, and you can visualize the removal of all the bacteria, so there's a 100% clean surface on the root when we're done cleaning the teeth.